Ang makilala ang mga kabataang Pinoy mula sa Sparkle at Star Magic. Ito ang teleserye ng totoong buhay. Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0.
Mira drinking water. Fresh, cool, calm.
How was your weekend? Okay, just played with my dogs. Sounds like a peaceful weekend. Go first and create your own adventure. New Ford Everest Wild Track.
Ano kayang pagkakapareho na mainit at malamig na pagkain? Nagdudulot ito ng pabalik-balik na pangingilo.
Maaring sinyalis ito ng tooth damage. I recommend Sensodyne. Meron itong potassium shield that keeps 24-hour sensitivity.
This is the Emergency Alert System, activated by the NDRR-MC Central Visayas and the Provincial Government of Cebu. We are interrupting normal programming to bring you the latest information about the earthquake that has just happened here within the Cebu area. Initiate duck, cover, and hold. Stay calm. Do not panic during the earthquake. Panicking increases the chances of injury and accidents. If you're outside in your car, right now, stop into a nearby open area away from poles and structures. If you're in a building, prepare to evacuate immediately. If you're in a situation where you are near the ocean, go to a higher ground as a precaution. Tune in to local radio and TV stations for further information. Programming may be interrupted by your local stations to bring you the latest news after this message. Thank you for listening to this broadcast. Stay safe, everyone, and stay strong.
For 10 years, together since 2015.